안녕하세요, 여러분. Today, let's talk about this Korean verb ending 나. Welcome back to another video at KSTYLEyo. My name is Inyoung. I don't know if you ever heard this verb ending before, used in Korean phrases. This ends with 나. This is used for rhetorical question with curiosity. In English interpretation, you can think of it as I wonder. So first, let's talk about how you can use this verb ending as grammar in sentence structure and show you real-life examples. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna give you guys homework to do, so stay tuned. For the grammar rule, I'm gonna break it into two parts. First one is present tense and past tense. And then the second one is future tense. So number one, for present tense and past tense, you just use verb root plus 나. This doesn't matter if the verb ends with a consonant or vowel. If it's the present tense, you just use verb root of the dictionary form. And if it's for the past tense, you conjugate into past tense verb and then use the verb root. I'll give you guys some examples afterwards. For the future tense, you need to know if the verb ends with a vowel or a consonant. If the verb ends with a vowel, you're gonna use 려나 after verb root. If the verb ends with a consonant, you're gonna add 으려나. And here is the note. Use of present tense and future tense are not completely distinctive because sometimes you could use either present or future for the near future. That's why better to understand the meaning based on the context. Now let's get into the daily phrases of present tense. I wonder if the drama is on the air now. Or you can say, is this drama on the air now? Rhetorical question with curiosity. 지금 그 드라마 방영하나? 지금 now the 드라마 same thing drama. 방영하나. So the verb root is 방영하. It's from 방영하다 verb to broadcast. 나 verb ending here rhetorical with curiosity. 지금 그 드라마 방영하나? Is that drama on the air now? Is it on sale from today? 오늘부터 세일하나? 오늘 today부터 from. 세일하다 is to be on sale. So use the verb root 세일하 and add 나. 오늘부터 세일하나? Is it on sale from today? This is past tense now. Oh, did I turn off the light when I came out earlier? 아까 나오면서 불 껐나? 아까 earlier. 나오면서. So 나오다 means to come out. 면서 while. 불 light. 끄다 is turn off. So 끄 becomes 꺼 and SS underneath that becomes past tense. 껐. And then add 나. 아까 나오면서 불 껐나? Did I turn off the light when I came out earlier? I wonder if I have lost some weight. 나 살 좀 빠졌나? 나, I, 살 is flesh and also means weight. 좀, some. 빠졌나. This is from a verb 빠지다, to lose. Conjugate to past 빠졌 and then use the verb root and then add 나. 나 살 좀 빠졌나? I wonder if I have lost some weight. So now let's get into phrases for future. I wonder it'll rain today. 오늘 비 오려나? 오늘 today 비 rain. When we want to say to be rainy in English, we say 비가 오다. Rain comes. So 오다 is the verb to come. Since this is a future tense, you have to look at if the verb ends with a vowel or consonant. O ends with a vowel, so you're gonna add 려나. 오늘 비 오려나? I wonder if it rained today. I wonder when I get my book back. 언제 내 책 돌려받으려나? 언제 when? 내 책, my book. 돌려받다 means receive back. 돌다 has meaning of spin or turn. 받다 means receive. 돌려받다 becomes receive back. And 받 ends with a consonant. You're gonna add 으려나. 언제 내 책 돌려받으려나? When will I get my book back? So here is the homework. Did I feed my dog today? I wonder when the snow stops. Hopefully this video was useful to you. If it was, make sure to give it a like. I really appreciate every like that you give because it really helps the channel grow. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them comment down below. Then I see you guys next time. Bye bye.